Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing, is there sort of a fast-track business visa route to coming into Thailand, notwithstanding all of the restrictions associated with traveling into Thailand due to COVID-19. In a recent article from the Thai Examiner, thaiexaminer.com, article is titled "Agony for Stranded Western Foreigners as Fast-Track Chinese Charter Flight Jets in from Shanghai." And I need to make something clear. I oftentimes tell people to read the articles. I continue to do that. Bangkok Post, Nation, Khao English, Thai Examiner, The Tiger, whoever we're quoting, I urge folks to read the articles. Please think about doing that if you're watching these videos. Some of these folks write really long articles, and I'm just taking an excerpt from them to talk about one specific thing and do some deep dive legal analysis on that specific topic. This is no different. We see this a lot, especially with some of the independent journalists here in Thailand. These folks will write an article, and it is long, and it will be very, very exhaustive about broad points about Thai immigration. So not just this one. I'm sort of making this and saying this for those who watch this channel rather frequently. If you're watching this video and you see me quoting articles, I will generally say go ahead and read that article, but yeah, please do, because there's a lot of context and nuance on the overall situation that I'm not even getting into. But quoting directly from this article, fast-track entry concession for business people initially announced as limited to 10 people per party. Under new entry regulations announced in recent weeks, there is a special allowance for business travelers from key Asian countries, including China, Japan, and South Korea, staying in Thailand for not more than 14 days to avoid the mandatory 14-day quarantine period applied to all other passengers from foreign countries, including those with work permits. This has been termed fast-track entry. And to be clear, this was published July 9th, 2020. In a prior video on this channel, we discussed this, although I didn't get into it in great detail, that as they're bringing online immigration, they are talking about who's going to be allowed in. And we've gone into some detail about that. Those married to Thai nationals, those with Thai children, those who are doing business here in Thailand. And then, of course, there are sort of like diplomats, things like that can come in. But there was also this, it was quoted, I believe, in the Nation as well as Bangkok Post. They talked about there was this sort of high-powered business people that needed to come in to do business meetings, deal with legalities associated with corporations, that they needed to provide some sort of way in which for those people to get into Thailand. This appears to be discussing that further. I have yet to actually see, although in this article they get into this in some more detail and provide some factual insight that I'm not going to get into. But long story short, I've yet to see exactly how this is playing out as a practical matter within our firm here. We haven't dealt with any clients yet that may possibly be eligible for this fast track. That being said, we will update you on this channel as this situation evolves, as a fast track, especially for business purposes, would be very helpful for foreign nationals looking to either start up, undertake, or maintain businesses here in the Kingdom of Thailand.